Hello students, today I am going to teach you chemical bonding chapter 2 science chemistry class 10. These are the contents. Without wasting time, let us start. First of all, let us try to understand what is chemical bonding. Here you see the definition. The force of attraction that holds atoms together in a molecule is called chemical bonding. Molecule amada yauriba atom singbu phajinaduna thamliba force adubu chemical bonding kawi. Then what is atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical chains. We have already discussed these definitions in lower class, so let us shorten these things. And next, molecule, the smallest particle of an element or compound that is capable of an independent existence and shows all the properties of the substance is called a molecule. Then what is the differences between molecule and atom? Atom is also particle, molecule is also particle. Then what is the difference? Atom cannot exist independently, but molecule can exist independently. It has independent existence. Molecule has independent existence. Molecule is of two types: molecule of element and molecule of compound. In molecule of element, same type of atoms will combine together to form molecule of element. Example, oxygen molecule and hydrogen molecule. And in molecule of compound, different types of elements will combine together in a fixed proportion to form compound. So example, HCl and NaCl, sodium chloride and hydrogen chloride. Then now, why atoms form bonds? Atoms in punsinaraga bond semiba karigino. Number 1, to attain stability. Because atoms are not stable, they want to get stability. And in number 2, to complete octet or duplet. I'll tell you what is octet and duplet later on. And number 3, to minimize energy. Atoms are in high energy, so they want to minimize their energy and to get stable. And number 4 points, to form molecules. And in number 5, to achieve the noble gas electronic configuration. Noble gas has stable electronic configuration, so all the atoms tends to get the stable electronic configuration of noble gas. And one more thing to be noted is maximum number of valence electrons in an atom is 8. There will be only 8 electrons maximum in the valence electron. Valence electron 9 oiba yade, 8 tagi henba yade, 10 oiba yade. Maximum the oiba yabase 8 kaktani. Next, attainment of stable electronic configuration. Most of the elements except noble gas elements are not stable. They want to get stability. How to get stable then? Stable electronic configuration can be attained by number 1, having 8 electrons in the outermost shell. That is called octet. And in number 2, 2 electrons in the outermost shell. That is called duplet. It is in case of atoms having only k shell. Points to be noted is noble gases have stable electronic configuration. Let us see how noble gases have stable electronic configuration. We see in the textbook here all the noble gas elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. They get stable electronic configuration because their outermost shell has 8 electrons, except in helium. Helium has only 2 electrons in its one and only shell, that is K shell, because K shell can accommodate only 2 electrons, and the rest of the noble gas elements has 8 electrons in its valence shell. This condition is called stable electronic configuration. Having 8 electrons in the outermost shell is called octet, and having 2 electrons in the outermost shell is called duplet. These conditions will satisfy the stability of atoms. First of all, let us discuss about octet rule. What is octet rule? The principle of attaining 8 electrons in the valence shell of atoms is called octet rule. Atom amagi valence shell the electron nipan layerga stable oinaba hotnaba adugi rule adubu octet rule haina kowi. Atoms are stable when they have 8 electrons 8 valence electrons. And number 2, when the atoms have 8 electrons, it is called an octet. Number 3, atoms must lose, gain or share electrons to attain octet. Next, duplet rule. Duplet rule says that the principle of attaining 2 electrons in the valence shell of atoms is called duplet rule. In the case of hydrogen and helium, they have only k shell. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in k shell is 2. So hydrogen and helium, in their case, the stability will be duplet. They will get only 2 electrons. It is enough for their stability. Number 2, hydrogen needs only 1 more electrons to fill its valence shell because it has already 1 electron, and it needs 1 more electron to get duplet, and it will get stability after getting 1 electron. Helium has full valence shell. It is stable and does not bond with other atoms. Helium gidi masagi electron ani k shell da thanna yaujaraga leire, aduna it doesn't need to take in any electrons. It is stable. It is already stable. So next theory is electronic theory of valency. Atoms combine to acquire the nearest noble gas electronic configuration by losing, gaining or sharing electrons. Electronic theory of valency asi Lewis amasung Cosell na octet rule nainarubadagi puthorokpa theory ni. Aikoina khangkre madudi atom sing asi masa matom ta lejaba ngamde maramdi makoi stable oide, makoi amaga punsinaraga bond semduna molecule semlaga stable oiba pami hai. Molecule orakpa matamda makoi gi stable oirakani, energy level hantarakani. Karigumba atom sing na punsinaraga molecule semba matamda energy hantar oidabo oitaragadi molecule semam loi. Atom singna punsinaraga molecule semliba asi energy hantaraknabani, stable oinanabagidamaktani makoi gi kwaidagi naknaba stable oiba noble gas ki electronic configuration ado phangba ngamnabani. Aikoina hana khangkre madudi noble gas singdi masana stable oijare, aduna stable oiriba noble gas ki electronic configuration ado lemhoriba atom sing asina phangba ngamnaba hotnai. Asigumna stable oiba electronic configuration asi matau karamna phangba ngamgani atom sing sina punsinaraga electron loss tobo oibai, electron gain tobo oibai, electron share tobo oibai. Asigumba mawong sing asida makoina stable oinaba hotnagani. Aduna akoina chemical bonding tongan makhal singda ubu phangani. Types of chemical bonding. There are 3 common types of bonds given in your textbook. Number 1 is ionic bonds or electrovalent bond. Number 2, covalent bond. Number 3, coordinate bond or dative bond. There are some other types of bonding also in the book. First, we should discuss about ionic bonds in my next video.